We need to pause right here. Oh, sorry, Haley. I low-key did you dirty with that pause. Are we seeing this glam? Are we seeing this glam? I need to do that. Look at me right now. This life ain't fair. This life ain't fair. Why are my dark circles like this? Oh, you know what? I actually have a reason. I was up till 7 a.m. last night doing what? Adding stuff to my online shopping carts and never checking out. Here's the deal. I want to look like this. I want to look like that. It's not a bug. It was lint. Let's turn me into that. So did I just wake up? Kind of. Like, I mean, like, I've been in bed for like 3 hours, but I just left my bed for the first time just now. So technically, I just woke up and I have to make my bed quickly or else I'm going to like lose my mind. I cracked my toenail. I need to cut my toenails. First of all, it's criminal that I don't have these lights on. Like, it looks awful. So I turned those lights on all the time. Before I even start this cute little glam look, I actually need to take a shower. One, just because I need to take a shower. I also had a heater in my room the whole night, so I've been sweating. And look at this. It's literally Christmas time. My hair is literally snowing gel. Merry Christmas! I usually don't let myself sleep in gel because this happens and there's like actually piles of snow. I could make a snowman in my room right now with the amount of freaking dandruff I have. It's not even dandruff, guys. It's literally just gel residue. But still, I need to wash my hair. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but I dyed my hair, so I ended up going with this red. Wow, this is distracting. This is distracting. I want to try this hairbrush. One second. Like I was saying, I really want to try this hairbrush because I keep seeing this on Instagram. It's viral right now for being able to define curls really nicely. And my hair right now obviously has absolutely no definition. To be honest, it's giving... Forget I said anything. I just want to try this brush. I cannot wait to try this brush, so I need to shower, reset my hair, and then start on this brush journey. Brush journey. It's not a journey to try a hairbrush. BRB! I'll be honest with you, I procrastinated taking my shower for probably 2 hours, so that's why the lighting's a little bit different. My skin lately has been literally so dry, and I am also already seeing my period breakout start, so that's just great for me. I've been calling this a toner for a long time, but this is actually called a serum, and I've been using this hyaluronic acid serum, and it's just so big that I thought it was a toner. This is slipping off my head. I already applied this. Anyways, now I'm going in with this Cocoa Kind chlorophyll discoloration serum, and honestly, when I first started using it, it was because it was green, and I heavily gravitate towards products because of their color or packaging, I can't lie. But I also heard really good things about it online, and I wanted to try it for— No! Anyways, as I was saying, I was hearing really good things about it online, and a lot of my mutuals were using it. So I've actually been using this as my makeup primer, funny enough, and it's actually so good. I feel like my makeup just sits so well on top of this. I've also been using this Mixsoon Bean Essence, but I'm only gonna use it 2 to 3 times a week because I'm gonna use it as an exfoliator because I found that when I did it that way, the results, I loved it. Hey, shout out to Prime for sending me care packages. They honestly always hook me up with their drinks, and I appreciate that because me, my mom, and my sister, and honestly my boyfriend too, anytime he comes over, they and myself absolutely love these Prime drinks, and every single time we've gotten a different flavor. Okay, this is my first time trying this one. What is that? What is that? I don't know what flavor that is, but it's called Original, and honestly, I'll be honest with you guys, anytime something says original, I don't know what flavor it is. Like, original what? Like, original what? The thing about Hailey Bieber, she literally always has the most perfect skin, and I have pretty good skin right now. Honestly, I can't really make any complaints, except for this damn nose ring that keeps sticking out of my nose and looking like a booger, and it's actually embarrassing. And guys, it's not a booger, and I'm not picking my nose. It's this stupid L-shaped nose ring. And if you have your nose pierced and you have an L-shaped nose ring, you must understand the struggle. I have 2 products that I feel like I keep juggling between. That sneeze reset my soul. I am a different person. I don't know if it's because I'm a Rihanna fan. Ow! Oh my gosh, did you see that? But anyways, as I was saying about Rihanna, I don't know if it's because I'm a Rihanna fan or it's that every single Fenty Beauty product is actually good, but I seem to like every single Fenty Beauty product, and I don't know if it's my bias. I'll be honest with you guys, I don't know if it's because I'm biased and I'm a huge fan of her, but I seriously really enjoy all of the products. I'm leaving this and don't touch it, okay? Thank you. Oh my gosh. Paw? You know this. Paw. Yeah! Because you're so smart, you're so smart. We're working on that trick still. I am still procrastinating getting ready, and my boyfriend brought me a gift, so I actually, Ew, I was hunched over. Oh, my phone. I'm opening this gift.
What the sticky? What is sticky on the ground?
That's not sticky.
Oh.
I don't know how that Velcro got stuck to the ground, but there's fun. Let's see where this guy got me. Kit Kats? I love Kit Kats. Kinder Bueno. This is a haul. What?
Let me see.
Oh
Oh my gosh, it's from Gongcha, right?
Yeah.
I almost bought that for you for
I
Valentine's
tried
Day.
to get some other one too, and I ordered.
That's crazy cool that we
my
think the
dumpling! Fun things to do when you're in the... a jar.
Wait. You actually can't look at them.
But I'm in love.
But you're,
Oh my gosh! And they move?
yeah.
Valid. This purple sweater! I'm gonna do my makeup in a minute. Explain to me this game that you have.
Fun things to do when you're in love.
And we're in love.
When you're at home, you're bored, blue one. When you're like, I could go out, pink one. When you want to really get it going crazy, green one. So it depends on like how much time we have.
Okay, nice.
And I made it based on what I think you and your energy level. So some of these are sleepy for me, but I'm like, I know that would be high maintenance for you to do. I don't want to spoil them, and they're catered to you.
Can I just pull one as an example?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, one of each color?
Sure.
Okay, so green was what?
Crazy town. Or not crazy, but like, it's just like...
Pottery! And then blue's the next level?
Blue, no, pink is the next
Okay,
level
pink.
down. It's like you might have to go out and then...
Board game!
That's a little bit of energy, to be honest.
I agree.
And blue is like, you don't gotta do anything.
Cartoons and cereal.
Yeah.
Romance is not dead!
I know you're gonna look through all of these when I leave, but pretend that you didn't.
Thank you.
I'm done.
She's going
Done. Oh my gosh, I'm going crazy. I'm gonna fall over. I'm gonna fall over.
Hey, I met supply teacher. Okay, guys.
Oh.
Today, you need help with math?
Why did you...
What?
That unlocked a memory I didn't want to know.
I literally procrastinated the entire day, and that is an entirely new low for me. Well, no, you know what? I've done that many times. So since it's been hours since I first applied my moisturizer, I'm just gonna mist my face with this because I feel like it's gonna rehydrate. And now my sweater's wet and hydrated. On this episode of things I bought that I absolutely did not need, I am showing you guys my mango beauty sponge. It was only like $3, so you know what? Valid. But at the same time, I didn't need this. But it's making me smile right now. So it was worth it. I'm actually gonna start with a bronzer today. I don't know why I feel like that's... Maybe this is a sign that I need to just go to sleep. You know, a little bit on the jawline. Don't tell a soul. Low-key, this sponge is actually trash. Like, it is not that good. It feels like it's not even wet, even though it is wet. Like, I re-wet it, so it is damp, but it doesn't feel damp. And I usually like to do a patting motion when I'm using a sponge, but today, this sponge is like, no, you have to rub it in. I love to put a little bit of blush on my nose and a little bit on my forehead because I feel like it really drives home that sun-kissed look because I feel like tans have a little bit of a pink to them just because the sun... I don't want to look sunburnt though, so I'm gonna make sure I blend that out good. Blend that out good. Uh-oh. My light said I'm clocking out. My shift is over. No, honey, it's not. I feel like I have a pretty solid base down. I think it's pretty similar to how dewy she gets her base. This is gonna pose a problem. I literally had to set up another light. That light is not working right now. It died. So I'm just gonna set my under eyes a little bit. I feel like when Haley does her makeup, yeah, me and Haley were on a first name basis. Seriously though, I feel like when she does her makeup, she doesn't use a lot of powder. It always looks like she's not wearing makeup even though she has like a really natural glam on. So I'm just trying to mimic that. This powder I've been using to set my face is actually so weird. It has purple, green, pink, no, peach. I don't know why I said pink. And then yellow. It's so weird, and I honestly never thought that it would work, but when it mixes together, it creates a really even color, and then it looks, obviously, pretty decent. These days, I've been sick and tired of my eyebrows, and I feel like no matter what I do, they just never look like what I want them to look like, so I've just come to terms with their shape, and I fill them in with literally the first pencil I see, because I do not care. And if they don't look good, then they don't look good. Like, I honestly just give up. I was just talking to my sister about the fact that I literally need to go to Barbados soon, because I feel like the ocean there just cleanses my skin and makes me look so pretty, unlike any other place I literally ever travel to. I always leave with the best hair, the best skin, the best everything, and I also always just feel so much better. It's so healing there. I am so shocked that I took the time to fill in my eyebrows just then because I actually never fill in my eyebrows because like I said, if they're not working out for me, I just leave them as is, and usually they're not working out for me because my brows just have a mind of their own, and honestly, it is easier to tame every hair on my head than it is to even attempt my eyebrows most days. It honestly looks like she might just have a little bit of bronzer on her eyes. I honestly don't think she has a lot of eye makeup on. I also cannot tell if she's wearing mascara or if her natural lashes are just that thick and dark, but I'm gonna put on a burgundy mascara because I want to change up that look just slightly to match my hair. This is the burgundy mascara I got, and this is called the L'Oreal Voluminous Voluminous Original mascara in deep burgundy. And I'm excited to see this color. Okay, this will probably work. I mean, it's a little bit more purple tone than my actual hair, but what can I expect? Let's put it on. Honestly, right now it's kind of looking just like a black mascara, which I'm not mad at. I'd rather it just be like a peekaboo color. I think I might try to style my hair without bangs today. I feel like I want to change up how my hair sits, and recently my bangs have been too long, but I'm not getting another haircut for a little while, so I need to figure out how to style my hair and enjoy it, because like every time I've styled my hair recently, I've really honestly hated it. And I haven't hated it because I feel like my curls look bad or anything like that. I've just hated it because my bangs are uneven. And like I said, no haircut for a little bit. And I'm also not going to DIY a haircut on myself, because even though we be doing it on my cousin, my aunt, my sister, I'm not doing it on myself. I also literally gave my mom a haircut the other day, and it ended up being so fire that every single day she calls me while she's at work and she's like, I just want to thank you for my haircut. And I'm just like, that is crazy that you like it that much, because I didn't know what I was doing. And she was like, I don't know, it's the best haircut I've ever had. And I'm like, thank you. But I'm not a professional. I would never claim to be. I would never claim to be. I have to do my hair, but I want to compare our looks and see how close I got. We're obviously completely different people, so I'm gonna obviously look much different than her, but I feel like this is pretty close to the vibe that she went for. Fake freckles, how dare I? I feel like she is never seen without fake freckles, and honestly, I also am obsessed with fake freckles like that, and I wish I was not seen without fake freckles. So I gotta throw these on. It's part of her signature look, in my opinion. But this really does create a great freckle look, and I know right now it's looking a little bit crazy, but I have a few tips and tricks that I like to use. Like, I like to take this beauty sponge and just kind of blend them in a little bit more to make them look more natural, just like that. And then also I take the same brush that I did blush with, and then I'll just dust it over top of where I just did the freckles. That way it kind of makes them look like they're slightly under the makeup, and I feel like that makes it look a lot more natural, and like my skin actually has these freckles there naturally. And by the way, guys, I know I like to say this a lot, but I do get natural freckles in the summer. Yeah, I do. So sometimes I'm a freckle girl. Even though I absolutely do not want to do my hair, I'm still gonna do it. Sorry. Okay, let me do my hair before I actually don't end up doing it and then get mad at myself. To try out this hairbrush, I'm going to be using this curl cream. This is the Recoil Define Curls Seals in Moisture. Now I'm reading you guys the description. I shouldn't have done that. It's by AG Care. I really, really like this product, and I usually don't care for curl creams. Basically, you're supposed to take the brush, take a small section, and then you're just going to work it through like this. And then these little comb divot parts is going to separate your curls and then give you all that crazy definition. No, that was a really ugly face, and please do not click off this video. I'm gonna be using this T3 diffuser to dry my hair, but first I want to show you guys it wet. Ignore the mess on my bed. Honestly, I'm a little bit stunned by this definition. I don't even know the last time that I had my curls this defined. Probably at a salon, because I don't ever take this much time on my hair on a day-to-day basis. But let's see how my hair dries. My hair is about 95% dry now, and actually this definition is crazy. I don't even know what to say. I can never do this on a regular day. Like, this is insane. I'm gonna take some oil though and separate these curls because this is a little bit too defined for me. My hair is all dry now, and look at this definition, guys. What the heck? No, this looks amazing. No. Someone stop me. This is bad. Confidence through the roof. Literally through the roof. Broke through my ceiling. Call a repairman. I'm amazed. I am stunned. I am speechless. Well, am I really speechless? I just said a bunch of things. Also, let's just have a moment for this glam, okay? Let's have a moment. I added more eyeliner if you didn't already notice. All of the skincare, makeup, and hair care stuff will be linked in the description box below, so you guys can go check it out if you want to try it out for yourself. And thanks for spending the day with me. You literally actually spent the day with me because I procrastinated doing this look the entire day. You already know this, but I love you so much, and if you're new here, I love you too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button though, for real. I'm gonna go play Fortnite or something because I've just sat in my room the entire day and I think I need to leave my room for a minute. Love you!